Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. I'll start with ICE Brent crude oil futures. A bullish white soldier on Friday as the market headed up and away from the slowly rising long moving average below, currently at 97.40, and up towards the congestion from August 2014 between 101.55 to 103.35. Prices pierced this congestion area but still closed below it. Further above, we have another congestion area from July 2014 between 106.75 and 108.65, dating from July 2014. The second congestion area seems the more effective right now. Now, looking at the whole action in 2022, you could regard the whole of the late December 2021 to date action as a possible Big M pattern. Now, this pattern has not been triggered as yet, but it came awfully close to doing so last Thursday. So far today, a further move higher based on the lesser Fibonacci line at 99.61 and up through the 101.55 to 103.35 congestion area, but stalling once it was penetrated. And it was then back into the congestion area, and right now as I speak we're moving back up out of it again, but only just. Spot gold, a slightly lower but still indecisive spinning top on Friday. The market is still caught in between the two declining tines of two separate pitchforks. Overhead we have the middle tine, currently at 1726 of the April to June bearish shift pitchfork, whilst below we have the lower tine, currently 1699 of the March to April bearish shift pitchfork. As I said recently, I suspect this is more a case of the market getting squeezed between these two tines from two different bearish shift pitchforks from two different time periods. This now brings up again something I've been talking about since last month. You see, there is an argument for December 21 to date action being a possible really big head and shoulders pattern. Now we are past forming the second shoulder and look like we are heading lower. If that is the case, then we have a primary target X below in the 1676 area, or where the March 2021 low is, and with a harder to achieve secondary target in the 1560 area, well below the bottom of my daily chart. Now, you may be wondering, those seem a little small to be targets for this move below. Well, I can explain that. You see, I use the April high at 1998 in my calculation rather than the more extreme March high at 2070. So you see, I would rather err on caution than fail in excess. Support below the market is interesting. It comes from the August 21 low at 1684 and obviously the March 2021 low at 1676. Now, so far today, our reactionary move back up, but only as far as the September 2021 low at 1721, and just under the middle tine, before backing off to just under the September 21 low. It's exploring the range of the toothpaste tube, if you like, within which prices are currently caught. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives you essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyrights Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.